definitely part of me. It's part of my history, and that's something that I had to grow from, and it's something I had to forgive myself, for. Secondly, I'd like to say, gents, when you make bad decisions in your life, these are the consequences. This is what happens. Not only do you hurt people, but you also don't get to choose to cause them. So I understand the mother of my child coming out and sharing it the way that she shared it. And I hope that it gives her a little peace, because it's not something that you could just grow from immediately. I also hope that this can be an example to more men to say, yo, man, it's time to grow up, change, be accountable and be responsible. With that being said, I'd like to close off, with just saying, I'd like to apologize to the mother of my child. I'd like to apologize to her family. I'd like to apologize to my family and everybody I put in this mess. This is the mess that I've created. And through Jesus Christ, I've been able to forgive myself, rebuild, be accountable, and be a man of honor, be a man of integrity, and give myself a second chance. I still will be sharing more of my testimony as time goes. The truth shall set you free, and I just wanted to say I'm sorry, and hopefully you will find it in you to forgive me one day.